Maybe take a nice deep breath in. Very good. Relax it all the way out. This is for that low back. I want to get all that moving a little bit.
Oh.
Good. And that's something too. It's like you got used to doing that, right?
Yeah.
Cracking it on your own, which to a certain extent can help you to feel better, but what it may have also inadvertently done is created more stiffness and tension around those areas that were stuck.
Oh! Sorry.
No, it's all right. It's all right. Lift your head up. Relax all the way back. All right, so yes, there is degeneration present, but the fact that we're getting noise from these joints does mean that we can get movement in there as well.